Hey, food lovers! Today, I'm making the ultimate Chapli kebab, juicy, flavorful, and packed with authentic spices. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this delicious Chapli kebab. Super for kebabs on screen. Text. List of ingredients. 500 grams minced beef or lamb, 2 tablespoons gram flour, besan, dry roasted, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 2 medium tomatoes, finely chopped, 2 green chilies, finely chopped, 1/4 cup fresh coriander, chopped, 1/4 cup fresh mint, chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, roasted and crushed, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, roasted and crushed, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon pomegranate seeds, anardana, crushed, 1 tablespoon butter, melted, optional for extra richness. Super, for cooking on screen, text, 1/2 cup oil for frying. Let's start by preparing the kebab mixture. In a large bowl, combine minced meat, gram flour, onions, tomatoes, green chilies, coriander, mint, and all the spices. Crack in an egg and mix everything really well. Make sure to mix it thoroughly so the flavors combine beautifully. Chapli kebabs are traditionally large and flat. Take a portion of the mixture, shape it into a thin round patty, and press lightly with your palms. You can also add a slice of tomato on top for extra flavor. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat and fry the kebabs for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and fully cooked. Look at that perfect crispiness. Time to enjoy these juicy Chapli kebabs. Serve them hot with naan, raita, and fresh salad for the best experience. These kebabs are crispy on the outside, tender inside, and packed with bold flavors. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you next time.